This is really cool.
We're Coliseum! We're here to learn about what it was like in central Rome, see what they found, how they preserved everything, how it represents what power meant at the time. I think it's really interesting this far. We have lots to learn about.
When I first heard about the course, and specifically looking at like the Roman concrete and how it's self-healing, automatically I was like, I have to learn about that. I mean, concrete is what makes all of our buildings possible, and that's how they made Pompeii work. They didn't have any steel or like rebar, and they were able to build this incredible structure. It's shocking to me. But yeah, seeing it in person was definitely something I won't forget, and it's really solidified that knowledge for me. Learning how like they made these materials and like made the concrete. That's why I wanted to come on the trip, and it has been amazing. Yeah, it hasn't let me down.
Okay, if you had a small notepad right now of just a list of questions, what are they? Can you show us?
Oh my god! It's a rough diagram of the room that we're working in. And so our big question is like reconstructing the lime process and like how were these other tools used for it, or if they were, we don't know. Look how deep these grooves are. Oh my gosh. This is too cool. It's kind of like detective work. Like you're just asking like, oh, what could this be? What was that used for? And so it's really just understanding the full process of how they did it here, so we can take certain aspects of it for modern use. They thought of a lot of things, and they thought of what we're still trying to like improve in civil in environmental engineering today. Like 2,000 years ago, their whole mindset was just on reusing everything, and it's something that we're trying to learn to do again now.
That the art like humanizes the people. Like there's houses that we're walking through that like someone drew really funny art on like 2,000 years ago, and then like a restorer came like hundreds of years after that and fixed it up, and then hundreds of years later like we came here and we're doing more restoring and walking around in the same house, and like that's really cool.
I also like just like the little moments, just talking and joking around.
You?
Oh yeah, me too. Yeah, I agree.
But I didn't know that they had these global classrooms where you could go to another country and take a class with 4 incredible professors. And I felt like on this trip I've gotten to know the professors so much better than I do like in a large lecture. We talk with them at dinner every night and see them every day, and it's very nice to get to know them outside of class too, just as friends and mentors.
Yeah, professors are not as intimidating as I thought they would be.
Yeah, they're just normal people. Really
That's
smart,
funny.
but normal people. Brad. Hey, that's Brandon.
Oh, I really want these days
but for now, just a string.